Mrs. Pallavi Gunjal, are you here? Yeah, please come. And what do you feel about LBF books, about LBF techniques, or maybe about any specific subject LBF books? What do you feel? Please let us know.
So, first thing, one quotation. It is said, a room without books is a body without soul. And I would say, education without LBF is a journey without junction. Good morning to one and all. Myself, Pallavi Gunjar. I'm standing before you to present my views on LBF books. Till few years back, all the education which was given to the students was theoretical. No practical knowledge was imparted to the students. But LBF is a proper blend of theoretical and practical knowledge, and it was clearly seen in yesterday's programs. The students, they had celebrated the fun days. Fun day, it was visible that they were enjoying. But was it only enjoyment? It was that they were learning the concept of colors like red day, green day, blue day. But with that, they learned many things like stories, songs, etiquettes, manners, etc. All these are taken from the LBF Toddler Training Book, a book which is specially designed for the students of 3 to 5 years of age, 3 to 7 years of age, and which leads to all-round development. All-round development? What is all-round development? It means physical, mental, psychological, spiritual, and vocational development. It has lessons like songs, geet, composition, nibhan, fun days, etc. Why all these topics are taken in this book? I have the answer to it. Firstly, in today's highly competitive world, when students are under so much mental stress, these books give them mental rest and helps them in developing their personality. It also helps in developing their skills and nourishing their inner capabilities. Secondly, turn around and see the society today. Was it the same 50 years back? No, it wasn't. Most of them lived in joint families. There, the customs, traditions, festivals, they were all transmitted through their elders to the younger ones. What is happening today? If you see the history, if you really see the history, if you have read the history, the customs and the traditions which we are following today are all coming down from the Vedic ages and have been passed on from generation after generation. But what is the scenario today? Out of 10, maybe 1 or 2 of the families are joint family. Remaining all have transformed into nuclear families. And in this jet age, when parents are working, who is there to pass on this traditions, customs to the upcoming generation? This initiative has been taken up by LBF through fun days and festivals, and students are made aware of our culture and traditions. Thirdly, the teachings of childhood leaves an indelible impression in the temple of memory, from which image is never thrown out. So, etiquettes and manners have got a very important place in toddler training group. Etiquettes, manners and protocol skills should be a habit of everyone, including children. After all, a person who displays all this etiquettes, proper etiquettes and manners feels good about himself as well as is respected by everyone. And when these are taught by their teachers, who are their role models also, it leaves a deep impact on them. There are other lessons like songs and geet in toddler training book, because music creates a comfortable environment, and if right songs are represented in the class, it sets the mood and enhances a good feeling in the class. By repetition and revision, it increases the memorizing power of the students, and using action increases the coordination of the body. I was thinking about one more chapter which is there here, that is introduction. Why introduction took a why it has become a very important lesson in LBF book. Few days back, कुछ दिन पहले एक आर्टिकल आया था न्यूज़पेपर में. आर्टिकल था कि एक मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी में वॉक इन इंटरव्यू है. वॉक इन इंटरव्यू तो हर मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी में होता है. तो इस न्यूज़ की क्या स्पेशलिटी? इस न्यूज़ की स्पेशलिटी ये थी कि 50 कैंडिडेट्स को 1 घंटे में इस कंपनी ने रिजेक्ट कर दिया. उनसे पूछा गया कि आपने इनको रिजेक्ट क्यों करा, तो इन्होंने कहा कि जो कैंडिडेट अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं कर सकते हैं वो आगे मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज में काम कैसे करेंगे. तब मुझे ये क्लिक हुआ कि अपना इंट्रोडक्शन कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, और एलबीएफ में इसको तो हम बचपन से ही एलबीएफ के द्वारा हम बचपन से ही इनको सिखा रहे हैं. और लास्ट में कुछ लाइन्स बुक्स के ऊपर, ये पुस्तकें करती हैं बातें, दुनिया की, इंसानों की, आज की, कल की तथा एक एक पल की। क्या तुम नहीं सुनोगे इन पुस्तकों की बातें? ये पुस्तकें कुछ कहना चाहती हैं, तुम्हारे पास रहना चाहती हैं। तुम इनमें अंग्रेजी और हिंदी की आवाज़ है, इनमें अंग्रेजी और हिंदी की आवाज़ है, गणित के राज हैं। ये बहुत बड़ा संसार है जिसमें ज्ञान का प्रकाश है। यदि धरती खोदने वाले को पानी का उपहार दे सकती है, यदि धरती खोदने वाले को पानी का उपहार दे सकती है, तो इन पुस्तकों के महासागर में डुबकी लगाने वाले को हर विषय में मास्टरमाइंड तो बना ही सकती है, मास्टरमाइंड तो बना ही सकती है।
Very beautifully said. Mrs. Pallavi Gunjal has explained about LBF toddler training books. जो